Hey, are you concerned about inflation or interest rates right now? Well, if you are, then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you where they're going right now, and I'm going to tell you why the Fed is full of baloney, why they can't do anything about it. And then I'm also going to tell you what you can do about it by getting involved in real estate and hedging against inflation and taking advantage and profiting from what's about to come. Hey, my name is Michael Blank. I help people become financially free with real estate. So inflation has spiked about 10% depending on what index you're looking at. We have not seen that since the early 80s. That's a long time ago, my friends. You see it in everything, every single day. You see it in the price of gas, the price of groceries, the cars you buy, everything has been going up. Are your wages up a little bit? Yes, but not nearly as much as inflation, which means that everyone in America is getting poorer right now. So for every $100,000 you have in cash, you're losing $10,000 or about $800 a month to inflation. Is that crazy or what? Now, how did we get in this mess? The Fed, okay? The Fed did this. You know why? Because we had this fantastic recession that would have been COVID, would have had some great real estate buying opportunities. And no, what did the Fed do? They printed money so we didn't have the recession. In fact, did you know that 80% of the money supply we have right now was printed in the last 22 months? That is staggering. When you have so much money chasing the same amount of goods and services, what's going to happen to the services? They're going to go up, right? There's more money. People have more money to spend, and that's why we're seeing the inflation we're seeing right now. So what's the Fed going to do about this mess they created? Okay, they're going to say they're going to do rate hikes. Great. They're going to do 2 rate hikes this year, and maybe 3, maybe 4. Doesn't really matter. You know, last time this happened, when inflation was high as 10%, like it is now, the interest rate became 16% before inflation went back down. 16%. Okay, we're basically at zero now, and the Fed's like, oh, we're going to raise it twice. Oh, that's awful. Oh my gosh, the whole point. Oh my gosh, it's a drop in a bucket. Okay, they'd have to raise it way more than that. So all this posturing by the Fed about raising interest rates, even the thing they're saying is not going to have a single effect on inflation at all. And why is that? And that's reason number 2 the Fed can't do anything about it is because of our debt. Okay, back in 1982, our debt was $1 trillion, which, was amazing. Now, it's 30 times that, $30 trillion. Okay, so what happens is a single % increase in the interest rate makes debt service larger than Medicaid. A 2% increase is larger than Medicare, and a 3% interest would make the debt service larger than all defense spending at all. So debt service by 3% would be bigger than anything else that we have, and therefore we can't afford to raise rates by 1, 2, 3, or certainly not 10%. Okay, so kind of a mess, but what do we do about it? How can we possibly profit from it? The answer, my friends, is real estate, but not just any real estate, okay? Specifically apartment buildings. The apartment buildings, the rents are going up through the inflation, the housing shortage, the relatively low interest rates we have. It has been fantastic for multifamily over the last 5 years, and now it's going to get even better because of this inflation we have. I mean, our portfolio went up by probably 25% just in the last 12 months. I think more millionaires are going to be made in the next 12 to 18 months than every time before. So apartments is where you want to be. That's where you want to put your money. If you want to learn more about that, we have unbelievably cool free resources around that in our Freedom Vault at themichaelblank.com/vault. We have a bunch of resources on how you can get started with apartment buildings and just kind of educate yourself about it. Really excited about it. It is the single best way to become financially free in the next 1 to 3 years. So hope to see you on the inside.